Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of setting up and upgrading your Virgin TV 360. Follow these step-by-step instructions to get the most out of your Virgin TV experience. Step 1. Unbox your Virgin TV 360. Start by carefully unboxing your Virgin TV 360. Inside the box, you should find the following items: Virgin TV 360 box, remote control, power cable, HDMI cable, Ethernet cable, optional, Dr. Mark Rockstace. Step 2. Connect the Virgin TV 360. 1. Connect to power. Plug the power cable into the Virgin TV 360 and the other end into a power outlet. 2. Connect to your TV. Use the HDMI cable to connect the Virgin TV 360 box to an HDMI port on your television. Make sure to note which HDMI port you are using. 3. Connect to the internet. If you prefer a wired connection, use the Ethernet cable to connect the Virgin TV 360 to your router. Alternatively, you can set up a Wi-Fi connection later. Step 3. Power on your Virgin TV 360. Turn on your TV and select the HDMI input that corresponds to the Virgin TV 360. Then, press the power button on the Virgin TV 360 remote to turn it on. Step 4. Initial setup process. 1. Language selection. Once powered on, you'll be prompted to choose your preferred language. Select your choice and press OK. 2. Network setup. If you're using Wi-Fi, select your network from the list and enter your Wi-Fi password. If you're using an Ethernet connection, it should connect automatically. 3. Software update. Your Virgin TV 360 may prompt you to install software updates. If so, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update process. Step 5. Starting your Virgin TV experience. After the updates, you will need to log in to your Virgin Media account. Follow the prompts to enter your details. Once logged in, you can start personalizing your settings and preferences, such as setting up parental controls or adding favorite channels. How to upgrade your Virgin TV 360. If you're looking to upgrade your service or equipment, follow these simple steps. 1. Access the settings menu. Press the home button on your remote, then navigate to the settings section. 2. Select Upgrade or Manage My Account. Look for options related to upgrading your plan or equipment. 3. Choose your upgrade. Follow the prompts to choose the services or equipment you wish to upgrade. This might include higher tier channels, additional storage, or 4K options. 4. Confirm and process payment. Finally, confirm your selections and provide payment details if required. With these steps, you are all set to enjoy your Virgin TV 360 and can easily upgrade your services as needed. As always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thank you for watching.